Attention! If you disobeyed orders in the previous mission, line up over there. You won't disobey a second time. Do not test my patience. The biggest threat to our forces is the enemy's enormous swarm of drones. In order for our forces to penetrate deep into Erusian territory, we'll need to clear a path. You will destroy the enemy's fuel plant. HQ has found evidence that fuel is being moved intermittently inland from a refinery at the harbor in Artiglio. It's likely they're supplying fuel for the various drone bases. Those of you whose food privileges were taken away already know how this goes. We silence the drones by taking their fuel. Enter via the estuary, take out their AA, destroy the fuel points on both sides of the river, and...
I wasn't running away, I was retreating. Well, I can't say I blame you. It was hell out there. Man, I'm not in the mood for this shit today. I'm gonna blow stuff up to let off steam. Target in sight. I see a lot of oil tanks. Boats, small warships. Plenty of buildings, too.
We're destroying everything in sight.
I appreciate the simplicity of the operation. It's in the air!
You think you look anything like military?
Mark 2. Well, it's truly started.
Damn! That's what I call fireworks.
Yeah!
I've got more bad news. The megastorm in Nessa 2 that formed a few days ago is approaching our AO.
No time to smell the roses, then. A fighter pilot needs to fight. Missions like this are too easy.
Another one blocked. Take this.
Burn, bitches!
Are you guys all nuts? I thought at least one of you was safe. This beat's being stuck at the penal base.
The enemy's gonna lock! Yeah, target destroyed. Watching the fireworks display.
Burn, baby, burn.
An Nessa 2 entering AO in 3 minutes.
Shit, we're out of time.
Enemy on your tail. Watch it.
Start destroying the facilities around the harbor one by one. Locked on target.
Locked on me. Someone help me out here.
Missile in the air! Heads up!
Success.
Spare 15, target destroyed.
Yeah, that's the stuff Trigger. No way on him. Trigger, you're just quietly plugging away. You think you're the only sane one here?
Bandog was right. We're no proper military. Enough of the holier-than-thou act that way. I belong in the penal unit. You belong here even more than I do. It's all about where you're from.
Trigger's full of oil.
Get the ships out of here before they're blown up!
Look at that oil. Just burn up the sea.
Missile in the air! Heads up! Move in! Check 6!
Spare 15 is down to target. They hit me, but I'm still flying.
Somebody help! Behind you!
Spare 15, locked.
The enemy has escaped.
Confirmed kill on AA gun. Dust cloud is entering the area of operations. Finish your work if you want to stay out of solitary. 1 minute remaining.
Spare 15 whacked the target.
Missile launched.
There aren't enough interceptors! Enemy spiked!
Missile incoming!
Trigger, he's got a lock!
Destroy the targets. You're being slow. 30 seconds remaining.
Canada clear. Lock on.
Vehicle down.
Clear 9. Behind you.
Hey, Trigger, why do you think this stupid war keeps dragging on?
Here he goes.
It's all because countries exist. Shouting that and throwing a rock, so it got me in here.
Well, you have free meals and a warm bed. You should thank our good citizens. Looking good.
I'll take jobs like this any day.
Megas.
Bring out the trucks. Make sure their routes are split. Take every drop of fuel you can carry.
Them on satellite. Burn down everything that turns up.
Why are they popping on and off of radar?
Sand clouds. If sand breaks
Get out
up.
of your goddamn mind.
A cat doesn't have... to deal with the surface and the air. Trigger, hurry up and take... I like your style. Trigger took down a UAV.
Dumbasses at it again. Now's our chance to retreat.
Have you forgotten what happens to deserters? I'll send you out to dig up landmine with your bare hands.